This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Grab plain cornflakes and measure about 2 cups to replace 1 cup breadcrumbs. You want enough for an even coating. Seal flakes in a zip-top bag, then crush with a rolling pin, pulse in a food processor if you prefer speed. Aim for coarse crumbs for texture or finer for smoother crusts. You do this because cornflake pieces stick better once moistened and provide crispness. Once ready, transfer to a shallow bowl for the next step. Once crushed, season the cornflake crumbs so flavor penetrates. Mix in salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika or dried herbs. Prepare a 3-station line. Flour, whisked 2 eggs or 1 cup buttermilk, then the seasoned cornflake crumbs. You coat items by dredging in flour first, tapping off excess, dunking in the wet binder, then pressing into the flakes. Make sure to press firmly so the crumbs adhere. This method creates a crunchy exterior and prevents flaking during cooking. Once done, rest briefly. Finish by choosing frying or baking. Pan fry in 2-3 tablespoons oil over medium until golden, flipping once, or bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 18 minutes, turning halfway. Once done, let the item rest on a rack to retain crispness. If crumbs go soggy, raise oven temperature or give a quick pan fry to re-crisp, if they won't stick. Next time, add a thin layer of mayo or mustard under the binder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.